फख्रे पाकिस्तान गिलगित बल्तिस्तान, मेरा दिल मेरी जान गिलगित बल्तिस्तान है मेरा।
We have a list of top 5 places in Gilgit Baltistan to visit. On number 5 we have Shandur Top. Shandur Top is located in Gizar district, Gilgit Baltistan, in the northmost political entity of Pakistan. It is often called the roof of the world. The top is flat, a plateau, and can be crossed between late April and early November. The grade is very gradual and the area is crossed by plentiful small streams during summer. The boundary line between Gizar district of Gilgit Baltistan and Chitra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Pakistan. During the annual Shandur Polo Festival, which is organized by the Ministry of Tourism Gilgit Baltistan and the Tourism Corporation of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, there is a polo match played on Shandur Top between the teams of Chitral district and Gilgit district. On number 4 we have Fairy Meadows. Fairy Meadows, named by German climbers and locally known as Jute, is a grassland near one of the best campsites of Nanga Parbat, the Killer Mountain, located in Diama district of Gilgit Baltistan of Pakistan. At an altitude of about 3,300 meters above the sea level, it serves as the launching point for trekkers summiting on the Rahikat face of the Nanga Parbat. In 1995, the government of Pakistan declared Fairy Meadows a national park. On number 3 we have Fundur Valley. Fundur Valley is situated 16 kilometers from the valley of Gupis in district Gizar of Gilgit Baltistan, Pakistan. A twisting road passing through lush green fields and forests with a view of flowing river and icy peaks will lead you to this charming valley. From springs of crystal clear water to lakes and rivers of deep blue water, there are all colors of nature's beauty in Fundur Valley. The very first glance of this valley will eliminate all fatigue of the journey and will re-energize you with its charming and mesmerizing views. Peaceful deep blue waters of river Gizar and surrounding lush green and golden fields are breathtaking. The weather of Fundur Valley stays very pleasant during June and July, and this is the best time to visit this valley because the beauty of this valley goes at its peak during these months. Days stay fair and warm and nights are a little cold. A motel of PTDC is situated at a small hill beside the road to facilitate tourists. The view of Fundur Lake is mesmerizing. On number 2 we have Devsai National Park. Devsai National Park is located between Karmangastor and Skardu in Gilgit Baltistan. It has an average elevation of 4,114 meters above the sea level, making the Devsai Plains one of the highest plateaus in the world. The park protects an area of 3,000 square kilometers. It is well known for its rich flora and fauna of the Karakoram West Tibetan Plateau of Alpine Steppe eco-region. In spring, it is covered by sweeps of white flowers and a wide variety of butterflies. Devsai is the highest plateau after Changtang Plateau in Tibet. On number 1 we have Hunza Valley. Hunza Valley is a beautiful mountainous valley in Gilgit Baltistan region of Pakistan. Hunza is situated in the extreme northern part of Pakistan, which connects China with Pakistan. Bordering Turkestan, also called Xinjiang, autonomous region of China, to the northeast and Pamir to the northwest. Hunza is the most visited place in Gilgit Baltistan for tourists from around